Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from Lessification, and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. When prepping for a trip, it is hard to think of what toiletries you use and need to pack on the spot. Almost without a doubt, you forget something. So I created a valuable tool to help jog your memory before each and every trip, which is today's tip. Download our free toiletries checklist now. With its helpful tips and suggestions, you'll know everything you need to pack for your trip, as well as what you don't. Essentially, this free toiletries checklist is the friend you call to ask, "What am I missing?" Or, "Should I be packing this?" It will save you a bunch of time and make traveling that much easier. Plus, it's printable and an interactive PDF. How rad's that? To download this prime piece of travel paraphernalia, just click the link in the description of this video. So that was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button now, and you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday to help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. I'm Luigi from Lessification. Happy trails.